एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आप सभी कैसे हैं? आज मैं हूँ एक न्यू टॉपिक, न्यू ऐसे के साथ। ऐसे का नाम है महात्मा गांधी। तो गाइस, महात्मा गांधी एक बहुत ही कॉमन टॉपिक है जो मोस्टली एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछा जाता है। तो आप सभी पहले से प्रिपेयर रहिए इसके लिए। और भी मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे की अपनी वीडियो बना रखी हैं, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाके लिंक दे रखा है, प्रोवाइडेड देयर, उसको आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। और लेटर राइटिंग के ऊपर भी बहुत सारी वीडियो हैं, उसको भी आप देख सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। सबसे पहले तो हम जब भी ऐसे लिखते हैं तो हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन जो पार्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए, ताकि देखते ही टीचर का या एग्ज़ामिनर जो भी है उनका इम्प्रेशन पड़े। उसके बाद लास्ट में कंक्लूज़न भी सॉलिड होना चाहिए, जिससे आपको अच्छे मार्क्स मिले। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। महात्मा गांधी's नेम is on the lips of everybody. He was the greatest man not only of India but of all the world also. He was the father of the nation. We generally called him Bapu. Next जो heading आएगी वो है his birth and parentage. Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Kaithwar, Gujarat in the year of 1869, 2nd October. His father, Kaba Gandhi, was the divine of Rajkot state. His mother was a noble and pious lady. His education: at the age of 7, he was sent to school. At school, he proved himself to be only an average boy. He was always regular and punctual in his class. After passing his matriculation examination, he studied at college. Then he went to England to study law. Practice as lawyer. He started his practice at Bombay, but he did not do well. Then he went to Rajkot. He was not a successful lawyer in Africa. He went to Africa to conduct a big lawsuit in a court. There he saw the bad conditions of Indians. He put up a brave fight for their rights. He founded Natal Indian Congress. He was jailed with his friends. In 1914, the Indian Relief Act was passed. This battered the lot of Indians. His political work in India. Gandhi returned to India. He joined the Congress and became its leader. Under his leadership, the Congress started non-violence and non-corporation movements to oppose the unjust acts of the British government. Side by side, he did constructive work, the removal of untouchability and the Hindu-Muslim unity. At last, India became free. On the 15th August 1947, his death. Gandhiji's end came all of a sudden. He was shot dead by a thoughtless young man. He died on 30th January 1948. His character. Gandhiji was a deeply religious man. He taught and practiced truth. He believed in a very simple life. He had great love for the poor. He followed the path of truth and ahimsa. He was a great saint. Now we come to last conclusion. Gandhiji was a great teacher, preacher, thinker, and a soldier. He will be remembered and respected by the world forever. The finest tribute paid to him was from General Stimulate, who called him a prince among men. May his soul rest in peace. May his teaching show the right path to humanity of the day. Guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो इसको एक बड़ा सा लाइक ज़रूर करिए, ठीक है? और अपने वैल्यूबल कमेंट्स कमेंट बॉक्स में आप दे सकते हैं। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस। और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलें, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग। थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट गाय फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन। होप आप बहुत अच्छे नंबरों से पास हो।